Good morning, everybody. Hopefully today is a better day than yesterday. The NASDAQ is getting beat once again, down around 3% right now. So we're going to have to figure that out. But what do we have here? Let's see. Let's get a little morning recap going. We got AMC sitting at 1588 right now. Getting hit decently hard, down another 4.7% right now. Shiba Inu coin just now breaking even, sitting at 21.23 on the day. GameStop still below $100 per share, sitting at 97.45. And Prague down there in the green, barely, sitting up 2 cents on the day at $1.31 right now. NASDAQ, as you guys can see, getting hit pretty hard, bouncing back a little bit, was down around a little over 3%, sitting at 13,400 points, but right now 13,460 points. Farmy sitting at 1928, not a lot of action going on here. GameStop, we saw that down there at 97.69. Prague bouncing up a little bit. AMC, question of the day is Sundial in the green or not? The answer is no. Sundial is not in the green. Sundial is sitting at 45.13 cents right now. Let's get this AMC back up on the chart and see who's in the chat today. Let me guess who is first. Frank first, as always. Good morning, Frank. Julia Gulia, Keith Kemp, Zachariah, Victor, Outdoor Smile, Gio, Frank, Keith, Paul Wright, Frodo in the house, baby. Donnell, hey. My Claybrook family, what's going on, Donnell? Hope you're having a good morning today. Shredder, I'm number 12. Let's get it, Shredder. Shitsu Inu, for Clay's sake, smash that like button. Listen to Shitsu Inu, please. I'm going to tell you guys what, it is warm in this room today. My goodness, I had the door almost all the way shut. The miners must have turned the heat up in here. I'd say it's a good 90 degrees in this room right now. No joke on that one. Shredder, good morning. Yeah, it could be in the upper 80s. Maybe it's in the upper 80s. It's warm in here. It's very warm in here. Oh, Sundial. Julia Gulia, one day Sundial will remain green for at least a 24-hour period. AMC, God, bum, man. I can't believe AMC trying to trade around these support levels again. This is ridiculous. We got AMC testing support at 1550-ish, 1560, 1570. Coming down here, tapping that 1550 once or twice. Hopefully, we get a rebound in the market, guys, because the NASDAQ down over 2%. When I looked earlier, SP 500 and the Dow both down over 2%. Very a difficult day today. What do we got here? Oh, man. Difficult day for all the indexes out there. Hopefully, we see a bottom soon. The good news is, me, Kevin, liquidated all his positions except for AMC, so I do like that. What do we have here? Anybody else joining the chat? Yes, we got joining the chat. I didn't see you, Donnell. Hello. Julia Gilia. Sup, Clay? Gizla, how you doing? Morning, Nick F. What's going on? There's still golden bananas to mint if you guys want in on the MGDC project. Go mint some golden bananas, guys. MDGC. Not exactly sure. Any cannabis-friendly apes in here? I have a question for you. Chris, are you talking like cannabis stock friendly, or are you talking like legit cannabis friendly? Because I don't know anything about that stuff. What do we got? That's what I'm saying. Let's eat like a savage. Let's go, Shredder. Hope all apes are going great. Now that the live technically started. Yes, we are doing great now, Chris, and we are glad to have you in here as well. Hi, Nick F. Hi, Gizla. Do you think that this is the bottom for AMC? Dwayne, I hope this is the bottom for AMC. I do not actually know if this is the bottom for AMC, though, man. I hope the bottom is what we hit at 1420. I hope when we touched 1423 yesterday, that was the 1450 level of support that we were bouncing off of there, and that's the bottom that we see. So I'm hopeful, man, but I don't know. If the overall market continues to get obliterated like it is right now, then we could see lower prices for AMC. What's up, Clay? Johnny Trash, what's going on, man? Hello, sir. I'm holding over 2 million Shiba coin. Frank Rose, very nice. I hope that Shiba goes up in value and you make a lot of money. Like, do I support legalization companies or smoke myself? Good questions. I'll take a golden horseshoe, though. No golden bananas. He wants golden horseshoes. Hi, Dwayne, Johnny, and Frank. Julia Gulia greeting everybody. I love it. Hello, Devil's Advocates. Hi, Julia Gulia, Nick F, and Julia Gulia. Very nice. When will I be able to shower without listening to Simple Plan and crying? Probably never. Devil's Advocate. What's up, Julia? Yo, thought on the SEC transparency tomorrow. Otto. I can be hopeful for that, man. I can be hopeful for that. And here's my reasoning, that I think there is a chance for increased transparency from hedge funds. I personally don't think that the government or the SEC has anything to gain by the hedge funds continuing to report the way they report now. So, because I don't think that they have anything to gain, I don't think that they care that the hedge funds have things to lose. So, that's my mentality on that, man. I think we could see some more transparency come from these I guess, reporting standards here, simply because I don't think it's a lose-lose situation for the SEC to vote for more transparency or to, I guess, implement more transparency. However, don't know if it's necessarily going to do anything except create more work for the hedge funds. Day 321 of aping, and I can't lie, this week has been a struggle trying to average down to keep my spirits up. Johnny Trash, good deal, man. Yeah, you know, this week has been difficult not only for AMC, but for literally everything in the market, man. Literally everything is getting just beat this week. Devil's Advocate, hey, you listen to Simply Red and Morning Clay. Kyle G, what's up? Never. I like the honesty. Simple Plan, second only to Nickelback. Heck yeah, man. My dude knows what it is. No idea who that is. Simply Red? That's what he's talking about. Simply Red. They're so corrupt, man. Nicholas. Man, I don't... listen, I really don't know if they're that corrupt, okay? And I'm not sitting here trying to, like, support them or back them up or anything. I don't view it as a corruption that can't be beat. In all honesty, I truly don't. Metagold Diggers Club NFT project that went live today. Get a golden banana until you get your actual gold digger. Oh, very nice. Frodo, I like what they're doing there. Metagold Diggers. Got any Metagold Diggers out there right now? If you don't know me by now, then you won't know me by now. Paul, right? If you don't know me by now, then you won't know me by now. Quick question for the cannabis-friendly apes. No questions about cannabis stocks unless you want to buy in Tilray with me. What's the question then, man? I think I missed the question. Holding back the years. Holding back the years? Holding back the tears. What are we doing? Morning, bros! J-Bo! Oh my gosh, we got 007 M. James in the chat, baby! What's going on, M. James? How you doing, man? How are we looking in crypto? Do you think we are done falling with a Fed report or anything going to keep it dropping? David, I do not think we are necessarily done falling in crypto yet, okay? Bitcoin has a very strong level of support at $30,000 a coin. Now, we've already bounced off 33. We're up from there. I don't think the reasons we're falling have, I guess, been taken care of. And therefore, I don't think that we are done falling yet. Why? We've got inflation and interest rate concerns. We've got Russia concerns. We've got executive order concerns. There is a lot right now affecting the overall crypto market. And until those concerns are kind of, I guess, diminished or taken care of, I would expect continued uncertainty and continued safe havening of assets, which means they're pulling out of riskier assets. Investors, conservative investors, are pulling out of riskier assets like crypto and moving to more conservative assets like bonds, bank accounts, and so on. So until they get taken care of is what I'm saying. We could see continuation to the downside. Medical diggers are like female versions of the Bored ABI Club. Sounds like something I'm interested in, man. It does sound pretty cool to me. Hey, Clay. Larry Smith, what's going on? Been chilling. Was missing Clay a little bit. 007 Shader, I'm glad you're in here. M. James, thank you for coming back. Thank you for coming back in here, M. James. I'm like, this dude, he's a mod. He hasn't been in here for like 15 months. Now he's back. I like it. Glad you're back. Me too, Julia Gooley. We got everybody bouncing back this week. My gosh, we had Rocket in here for a whole day yesterday. We had Brett in here for a whole day yesterday. We got M. James in here right now. It's just incredible. Pringleton, hope you're well, buddy. I hope Pringleton's definitely well. Pringleton is in here every day. I love Pringleton, man. Some of the OGs returning these days. What's up, M. James? Oh, yeah, dude. Yesterday was crazy with Brett and Rocket being in here all day, too. Strictly speaking, for a war strategy standpoint, the perfect time to take down democracy would be during extremely divisive political times, financial problems, and global health issues. Devil's advocate, yeah, man. I mean, I don't disagree with that whatsoever. First time I'm in your live, we've been following you for a while. All the things you say always make sense. Nicholas. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. And if they don't make sense, I don't know. I typically say them because they make sense to me. But if they don't make sense to you, I guess we could discuss it, right? Hopefully. Don't worry, Clay. I saved some Ethereum for the Hodl Ape Club mint on Thursday. Nice, Frodo. Nice. I wasn't actually worried about it, though, Frodo. If you, if you didn't want to grab a Hodl Ape Club, then you don't have to grab a Hodl Ape Club. So, wasn't worried about it, but very cool. Frodo loves his NFTs, man. I like that. I hear there's a movie coming out on Netflix about Shiba. Frank Rose, I have not heard about this movie coming out on Netflix about Shiba. Movies coming out about everything these days. Question is, are they going to be good or not? Because nobody wants to watch a bad movie. Like Better Off Dead. Never watched it. Never watched it, Julia Gulia. Don't be afraid. It's okay. I didn't mean it. Better Off Dead's not a bad movie. I've never seen it. Gotta stack these chips. Alright, there we go. Oh, let's see. Bounce. Let's bounce. Let's do it, Mitch. Let's see where we're at right now. AMC trying to crack back above $16 per share. Sitting at $15.97 right now. Shiba 21.25. GameStop 97.44. Prog sitting at $1.33. Green, I like that. The NASDAQ still down about 2.76% on the day. Falling in waves, man. Falling in waves. Let's take a look at the daily chart for the NASDAQ real quick. You can see that after yesterday's recovery, you're pretty much going to retest those lows. So, sentiment is definitely to the downside today. We've got major support at this 13,000 point level. I hope it holds up. If it doesn't, there's not much we can do about it. But we got a major level of support here at 13,000. So, I guess if we see another, what is that going to be, 2 or 3% decline. I mean, think about it. We ended up basically break even yesterday, and we're down 3% again today. We've got about another 2% that we could fall and see yesterday's lows. So, my goodness, the Bears are definitely taking charge of this market. Farmy sitting at 19.16 right now, pulling back a little bit. Hopefully it goes back above. Oh, that's a daily chart still. Just 2 little red candles here. Hopefully we get some action. Farmy sitting sideways throughout most of the day. Not too much going on. A lot of price suppression here in this stock. 20,000, 8,000, 30,000, 100,000, 200,000 shares being traded. No price action. Hopefully we get some upside there. Back to AMC, down 4.63% right now. I'm buying fractional shares of Netflix these days, and now that it's way down. Larry, not a bad idea, man. Not a bad idea, Larry. I do think that Netflix is going to continue to go up long term. People... Until something comes along and kills Netflix the same way that Netflix came along and killed Blockbuster, I expect, Netflix to continue doing very well. $2, darn you. Outdoor Smile, missed something. Boom. Roasted. Always roasted, man. Always roasted. Better Off Dead is a classic. Johnny. Oh, is it? Never seen it. You know what's an absolute banger of a movie besides the iconic perks of being a wallflower? What We Do in the Shadows. Never seen that one. Devil's Advocate. Never seen What We Do in the Shadows. Buying fractional shares on Netflix, all that. Julia Gulia, good. Better Off Dead is classic. A book, man, everybody loves Better Off Dead, and I've never even seen it. Look at this, man. You guys know I was just messing with Julia Gulia, right? Oh, I'm getting me some of those sweet Hodl Ape Club NFTs. You gotta support my fellow diamond-handed apes and get a sweet NFT to commemorate this movement and my holding my holding of AMC and GME. It is a pretty cool reasoning behind their NFTs, man. I can't deny that one. To commemorate the buy button being taken away, 1-year anniversary, I do like that. Kelly Scott, good morning. Lots of green for me today. Kelly Scott, what I'm going to tell you, I don't know what you're in because there's lots of red. Prog seems to be the only thing doing well, up 6% today. It was $1.11 yesterday. Now it's sitting at $1.36. Beautiful gains in Prog so far. Hopefully, we can see beautiful gains in AMC, Shiba, GameStop, Farmy, the NASDAQ, and Sundial as well. Oh my gosh, look at this. Sundial is about to break green on the day. Oh, wow. You know it's going to be a good day when sundial goes green. Ooh, yes. Oh, yes. We got a lot to look forward to now. Silver, Clay. Silver. Nicholas Nasty. We love our silver, don't we? Still sell the rip. Sell the rip, man. You buy the dip and sell the rip. Heck yeah. Outdoor Smile. I can't tell what my face looks like when I do that. Was everything straight? Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the super chat, man. Absolutely appreciate that. No idea what my face looks like when my eyes are closed, but hopefully it was good. Shout out to our Marine Corps brat having an operation today. Told Moas to wait. She's still till she's ready. Good deal, Pringleton. I did not know she was having an operation today. Hopefully, a Marine Corps brat is doing good, and she comes back. The fact that she was in here yesterday, beautiful. I loved it. Hopefully, she comes back soon, man. No, Sam. No 10 out of 10. What? A Better Off Dead is a 3 out of 10. Oh, Sam, have you actually seen it, or have you seen it, Devil's Advocate, or not? I've never seen it. Could be a 3 out of 10, man. Clocking those dollar bills, Clay. Boom! Dollar bills, y'all. Model 3, dude. I like it. Hopefully you are making some money in a down market right now. I don't know if you guys are or not, but if you're in Prague is looking pretty juicy right now. I've been in Prague ever since you mentioned it. Larry, very nice. Today's a good day then. Hype it up. Let's go. Model 3, what are we hyping? Let's get it. I'll hype it for you. Truly, it could be, but I'm referring to the movie, which I assume had some lame TV shows, spin-off. The movie is like The Office, but films a modern-day vampire house and their living situation. Hilarious. I've seen it. Some JV Hollywood stuff. Gotta go varsity, man. Look at this. Look at this right here. What are you gonna do with that hair? My gosh. Gotta go varsity. Gotta go varsity. Alright, that's better. Better on that. No. Buy the dip. No, don't buy the dip. Not unless Powell dons his Superman cape tomorrow. I'm going to be completely honest with you, Nicholas. I don't think that Powell's going to be doing anything Superman-ish tomorrow at the Fed meeting. I think we're going to continue tapering the bond program. I don't think he's going to mention an interest rate increase tomorrow. And if he does, it's just going to be the fact that they are ready to begin increasing interest rates in March. I highly doubt he offers us any forward-looking statement as to how much they increase interest rates by. If he does, oh yeah, dude, it's gonna shed some clarity on the market right now. And if he says they're gonna do a 25 basis point increase, then we're probably gonna be much better off, and we could see a turn, because I think a lot of people are expecting, a 0.5% increase in interest rates, and that could be one of the reasons the stock market is falling right now. It's because we don't know what to expect. So if he does offer some clarity on that, it's going to be good. She better be, Julia Gulia. She owes me a recipe for bacon-wrapped green beans. I'm assured it's not as simple as it sounds. I don't know. I've never made bacon-wrapped green beans, but I did make a burrito last night with chicken, rice, and corn. Dude, I am hungry right now, but I ate so much last night I probably won't even eat today. What time of the day has most action for the market, or is that a question depending on which stock you have? No, Chris, it's actually not a question depending on which stock you have. There are legitimate answers to that, and I believe it's 9:30 to, oh man, it's either the first 15 minutes and the last 30 minutes, or the first 30 minutes and the last 15 minutes. I'm pretty sure it's 9:30 in the morning until for Eastern time, and just do the first 30 minutes and the last 30 minutes of the day. That'll get your answer right. I'm pretty sure it's like 9:30 to 10, and then 3:45 to 4, or 3:30 to 4. It's the first and last 30 minutes of the day. Always has the highest levels of volatility, and I could actually probably look that up right now too, because the halt rules, like if you're going to halt a stock from trading, the bans increase from 10% to 20% during those time frames, because they allow for more volatility. So, beginning and end of the day. Hey, you need to be posting pics of this food on Twitter. It's what all the cool kids do, and they have 5 million followers. Pringleton! I should have posted a picture of that burrito last night, dude. It was really good, but then I ate so much that I wanted to die. So, you guys ever eat so much that you just get dizzy and you want to lay down and, like, not eat anymore? I'm at the point where I am hungry again, but last night, nah, dude, I didn't want to eat anymore. It was really, really good, though. It was really good. Where we at? I know I missed some. Okay, I'm buying the dip and holding till I can't hold no more. Kelita, very nice. Basically, not lunchtime. No, it is definitely not lunchtime yet. No, not lunchtime. It'll be lunchtime at 1. Now I'm hungry. Julia Gooley, come over, have a burrito. I don't have any left, but we could make another burrito. I still have some chicken and rice left. Oh, what's up, my peeps? D's, how you doing, man? Donuts. You want donuts? Julia Pringleton, what's up? JB in the house, baby. Who was the one always talking about CEI in here before 16+%? I believe Crypto Rocketeer either had some CEI, but I know Crypto Rocketeer was talking about CEI. Is CEI doing anything today? You saying it's up 16%? Up 18% right now. All right. 17% CEI. 67 cents, man. Guys, is now the time, or was that the time to get CEI 2 days ago? Sitting here at 67 cents right now. Next level of resistance, 77 cents. Could have some good action going on here. We get a little run like we did back here, going from 30 cents to $4.85 before dumping off. My goodness. Anybody in CEI right now? I don't own any, but got me nervous thinking about that. And then Pixie. Pixie's always a very volatile stock. Oh my gosh, dude. Did we draw this line? This is a daily chart, right? I know I didn't draw this line yesterday. Dude, look at this. We talked about this right here. I know I didn't draw this line yesterday. Pixie comes up here, tests this level. We said, you know what? It's testing resistance here. You know what it's likely to do? Fall back down in this channel. Dude, look what it did. Fell dead onto that channel right there and bounced back. Now it's finally breaking through this channel a little bit, but if it doesn't make it, my goodness. That was like, it was dead on there with that one. Isn't it great to like go back and see some lines you had drawn on the chart and realize that, oh yeah, that actually would have worked there. That would have worked. Yeah. SP 500 down 1.8% right now. Not terrible. NASDAQ down 2.5%. Farmy sitting at 1916 still. Dead sideways. AMC down 4.15%. Come on, AMC. Get some action. What do we got going on here? Hi, Smiles and D's. Hi, Russian Bro. I can't pronounce your name. Oh, we get the Russian Bro in here. Nice, man. What's up, Russian Bro? How you doing? Me, CEI, CYBL, ILUS, EPRN, me, Sam, me. Dude, Julia Gulia is ripping it on CEI right now. Up 18%. I love it. Julia Gulia making money. The real wrestler shoe. Yeah, dude, Prague is doing very nice today, man. Prague sitting at $1.40 right now. Now I wish I would have bought some more Prague yesterday. What the heck, dude? Prague sitting at $1.11 yesterday. $1.40 today. Oh, man, these dip buying opportunities. Don't you just wish that everything, $1.11 to $1.40, 30-cent gain on $1.11. What is that? Roughly like a 27% increase? Oh, my gosh. 27% increase in less than 24 hours. Beautiful. Beautiful action by Prague. My goodness. Imagine if you would have bought options yesterday on Prague's dip. And you get a 27% increase in the price. I would love to see Farmy and GameStop and AMC and I don't care if Sundial gains. I would love to see those stocks gain 27% right now. Farmy's about to blow off the top of this chart right here. Or Prague's about to blow off the top of that chart right there. Libra, love your video updates, man. Last 23. Thank you very much. What's Prague doing? Prague's sitting at $1.40 right now. $1.39, JB. Sitting at $1.39, breaking some intraday highs at $1.40. Might be pulling back right now, $1.38. Okay. I don't know how you're going to come at me with sass like that, using my name like I'm not in here with a fake name, trying to be anonymous for the safety of my family like all heroes do. Wow, Elizabeth. I love it, man. 50 cents away from breaking even on prog. Long, let's go. Wrestler, let's get it, man. I still haven't averaged down on prog, man. I didn't know if I should be averaging down in this bear market that we're in right now. Imagine if what I did. Devil's advocate buying calls on prog last night on the dip. Boom, baby. Oh, man. Devil's advocate has been making so much money today. It's ridiculous. Springleton, I'm a fan of CEI. Devil's advocate, nice. Springleton, are you in CEI? I do not own any CEI. Guys, can you tell the difference in the audio when I move this? If not, I'm just going to leave it behind the microphone. Can you tell any difference right now when I'm talking and then when the microphone goes over here? If you can't tell the difference, I'm going to leave it behind the mic. If you can tell the difference, I'm going to pull the microphone out here. Let me know if you guys can actually hear a difference in the audio when the microphone is over here behind the camera, or when the microphone is over here kind of right in my face. Yes, nope, yes. Same, God, yes, nope, yes. Nope. What do you guys got, man? Some of you guys got some bad ears, and some of you guys got really good ears. What's happening here? You guys literally are 50-50 on that. Claudinho, my brozinho. I know you're going to miss my messaginho. Simoninho, I didn't missinho your messaginho. Eu knew neverinho would do that dinho. Put it right in your face. Further, the best place for the microphone is right in your face. That is correct right now, but I have to talk very low. Otherwise, I'm going to peak the crap out of this mic because it's going in the red and I'm being very quiet. Believe the FUD being spewed by the SEC Chicago that they can suspend trading for protection of investors and the country. Yeah, Julia Gulia. Yeah, I do believe the FUD being spread by them. They can suspend trading on any stock. But I'm going to tell you right now, okay? I'm going to tell you right now, and maybe I'm skeptical, okay? Nobody really cares about your safety. Now, individual people might, but entities like the SEC, no, they don't care about your safety. They are built, and the only way they can continue to function is if they go out there and find crime and serve a purpose. So they will find, I guess, insider trading and things like that and act like they're a hero for doing it. And they will blame it on that they are, helping you out. So you've got this great idea about them. But no, dude, the SEC, they can suspend a stock, yes. And they're going to tell you it's for your own good that they're suspending it. But they're not going to act like that. They're not doing that. You know what's for your good? When brokers allow you to buy and sell stocks that you want to buy and sell. Even if you're going to act reckless. Even if you're going to act reckless and go out there and YOLO, like my dude Adler Gray on Dogecoin, and take out a mortgage on his house to buy $200,000 worth of Dogecoin before Elon tweets. That's his choice. It may actually be in his best interest to not YOLO his house on Dogecoin. But it's actually in his best interest that he has the ability to do that. It's his money that he earned. He can spend it on whatever he wants. He can be responsible. He can be irresponsible. I guess if you're not a kid living in your parents' house, then you should be able to make your own financial decisions. I'm driving. Danelle, be careful. A bunch of us were on Austin Hilton's feed complaining how he doesn't interact with his viewers, just wants the views, and we were blowing up his feed about Klebro and how you interact with your viewers. Dang it, man, I shouldn't have interacted with that message. D's, man. Listen, he might have, I don't know. I've never been in any of Austin's feeds before, okay? I've never been in any of his live streams. And I don't know if he lives on YouTube or if you're talking about a different platform. But some guys, they're much less interactive. They just want to go out there, they want to read something, and I don't know if they're just uncomfortable fielding questions. I don't know what their deal is, but they got their own style and their own strategy. I want the lives to be as interactive as possible, simply because I think it's a much better place to answer questions, or if you guys didn't like a video and you want to leave a nasty comment on the video, well, tell it to my cyber face right here, and then we can discuss it, because it's going to be a lot easier for me to interact with you verbally than it is for me to type out the same paragraph 40 or 50 times and, answer questions that way, because I don't like doing that. So that's why I like to make my live streams as interactive as possible. Can now barely hear you. Wreckage, man. The microphone's right here. I know you can hear me. Shout out to Frank. Frank, where you at, man? What's up, Glaber on the 8 family? Shoe Guru! What's going on, man? Brian Torres. SEC can go, yes, they can go get some bud themselves. Yee-yow. Pringleton, yee-yow. I gotta move this thing, man. I think I'm going like too far over here. Clever, do you think the issue with the Fed regulating crypto is BS? Pika, so maybe. I don't think that the Fed wants at this time to regulate crypto. Because I'm going to be honest with you. The Federal Reserve can regulate exchanges. They can regulate these centralized exchanges. There is no governing power that can actually regulate crypto. They can tax it. They can make it illegal to trade on exchanges, but they have no ability to regulate crypto. Why? Because those miners that are sitting over there, they are, and that's strictly on Ravencoin, right? But there are people mining all types of cryptos. The decentralization of crypto makes it so no one power can shut it down. If everybody across the globe decides, I'm going to turn my miners off, then crypto dies. But if everybody that is currently mining or staking or however the coin is set up decides that they're going to continue doing that, the best that any government out there can do is regulate an exchange. Somebody that is registered and works alongside government regulations. But if I'm going to go out there on a DeFi wallet and buy or sell a DeFi coin, they can't touch it. Shoe Guru, thank you for the most embarrassing super sticker that exists. Meow. Meow. God. Meow. Oh, man. Thank you very much. Oh, I don't appreciate that one. Samantha. I love popcorn. Thank you very much, Samantha. Oh, God. Please tell me that Lauren was not in here when I did that cat. Oh, my goodness. Lauren, please tell me you were not in here when I did that cat. Oh, no. I have a bad feeling that Lauren was in here when I did that cat. Oh, I'm at $1,000. Decision just dropped 1,000 grand on Ethereum. Name service. Boom, dude, 1,000 grand. I love it. Oh, I know what you mean. You dropped $1,000 on Ethereum. Good deal, man. Is the market crashing? Is AMC done? Ohana, good question. Or Ohana, whatever the name is. I don't think that AMC is done. No, I can break that down into further detail if you would like. But you just simply asked if it was done. So, no, I don't think it's done. Market could be crashing. Yes, market could be crashing. The NASDAQ has pulled back about 20% from its all-time highs over the last couple of months. Now, you're talking the 2020 crash that we had because of, the different illnesses that are out there. That was a 30% pullback, and it was about a 1-month period that it pulled back 30%. The Great Recession of 2008, 2009, that was a 50% pullback. Now, if you're looking at it in terms of actual points that the NASDAQ fell down, we are in a very drastic pullback right now. But percentage-wise, we're still right on the brink of making history, honestly. Another 30% decline would be a drastic decline. I'll put it that way. Another 30% decline would be drastic. But we would rival something that they teach about. Okay? The Great Recession. They teach about that. And we are at 20% right now. If we continue to fall, we're going to be among the biggest crashes that the market's ever seen. The name is family. When you did what? What did you do? I can rewind. Oh my gosh. Lauren, when I was meowing like a little kitty cat right there. I know you didn't see it then. Good. Oh, thank God. Don't rewind, Lauren. Don't rewind. He did the kitty cat. No, shoot, guru. Don't tell her what I did, man. Market is crashing. Yes, AMC is done falling. Got him. Got him, wrestler. I like it, man. Market is crashing, and yes, AMC is done falling. Boom. I'm gonna use that answer. I'm gonna scare some people next time. Wrestler, I'm gonna use that. Do I have to cite you if I use that? I hope not, because I do want to use that. What's this? Oh, that's the Under Armour thing. Claytinho, read my last message, please. Where's it at, man? I gotta go find it. Gotta go find Simon's last message. Hold on. Simon, Clay, how many coins do you mine per day, and what is the most that you could mine, and what the mining quantity depends on? Excellent questions. I will answer that in 2 seconds after I say, Adria Perez, thank you very much for the super chat. Hello, everyone, and shout out to you, Clay. Question, what does it mean that they will suspend AMC? What happens with that? Adria, very good question, okay? And I do not know if they're specifically talking about AMC, right? Clearly, the AMC community takes that personally, and there's a lot of, I guess, angst in the comments that are being made by the SEC. But if, let's just say they do suspend AMC. So you can, not you, but they can suspend a stock for a variety of reasons. Let's say that AMC is under criminal investigation because they found out that Adam Aron was running some illegal activities through AMC theaters. They could suspend trading on AMC indefinitely until the investigation is complete. Now, that means that you cannot liquidate your positions. Nobody can buy, nobody can sell shares of AMC until they decide to make it tradable again. Now, they do that because it's in your best interest that they suspend the stock, right? They do that because they're trying their best not to create a panic selling situation. If it comes out while AMC is still tradable that they're being investigated for illegal activities, there's going to be a lot of investors, boom, who sell off, don't want to touch it, get away from it, and the stock price could crash. They hope that they go out there, put it in a timeout, and pending investigation, they can come out and then say, okay, yes, AMC was investigated, but everything is fine with AMC. They hope that nobody will overreact once they start trading up again. But probably 9 times out of 10, if somebody sees their money frozen like that, they're going to pull it out anyway, and it's going to be like a trading halt, but worse because it could last days, weeks, it could last months. So that's what a suspension would be. And I highly doubt that AMC gets suspended. And then, Simon, I haven't forgot about you, man. Shoe Guru, thank you very much. Oh my gosh, dude, I got to fix the back of my hair. Shoe Guru, you guys are ridiculous. Shoe Guru and Cassie, I thought you guys were my friends. My mom said she was going to watch this morning, too. I'm sorry, Mom. Cassie, this one's for you. That one was for Shoe Guru. Meow. 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 Oh, God. I hope Lauren left. Lauren, I hope you. Oh, I hope she's got a client right now. Oh, and she's cool. Meow. Meow. It hits different when Lauren sends it. Darn it. Meow. Meow. I'm crying. Meow. Oh, God. This room was hot before. Now it's extremely hot. Lauren, Cassie, Shoe Guru, thank you guys for the super stickers. Appreciate you. And I am definitely sweating right now. This is not a good look. Oh, your mom just unsubscribed. Facts on that one, man. My mom probably did just unsubscribe. Now let's answer, oh, God. Simon, I'm still thinking about you, man. Wrestler, thank you for being a member for 4 months. AMC and Clay are not dead cats. Facts on that one, man. I'm definitely not a dead cat. And AMC, it is evident that AMC is also not a dead cat. This is what you and Lauren do in your private Zoom meetings? Definitely, man. Definitely. And then you forgot about the dog. You forgot about those, too. Ah, little kitty cat. Yeah, Lauren. Oh, my God. Embarrass me in front of all my friends. Come on now. Anyway, Simon, so I've got 6 graphics cards on that. I got 5 graphics cards on that miner right there. I moved one of the graphics cards into here. I have some old graphics cards that I don't use anymore simply because they're old. I could mine Zcash with them, but at this point, I think it's unprofitable to run those. So that little miner right there, it's just simply 5 graphics cards. And it mines a little over, and it varies, okay? It mines a little over 50 Raven coin a day, which ends up at the current prices being about $5 per day. So, and it's very consistent. It was a little less consistent with 6 graphics cards in it, but dude, with 5, it never shuts off. And honestly, shutting off and then having to turn it back on once you realize it's not working is a hassle. So, $5 a day with that little graphics card right there. Now, when I started mining back in, well, I started mining in 2017, but when I started mining Raven coin back with in 2017 or in 2019, at the end of 2019, Raven coin was only a penny. Now it's about 10 cents. So it was only a penny, and I was getting a little over 200 Raven coin per day. So that was nice because it was a lot cheaper and you could mine a lot more coins. Now, it does fluctuate. So right now, back then, when it was a penny and you're mining 200 coins, you're like, okay, you're only making about $2 a day, but then Raven coin goes up in value. Dude, Raven coin went all the way up to 28 cents per coin before dropping back down to where it's at right now. And actually, it might be lower than 10 cents. I haven't looked at it. It was 10 cents a couple weeks ago. It's probably lower since crypto's crashing. But, so I actually might be making more than 50 coins a day right now on that one. But, dude, when you're mining 200 coins a day with that little miner, and I got each one of those graphics cards, which I should start looking at. This is a great question, Simon. There's probably a lot of people wanting to sell their graphics cards right now that crypto's crashing too. I got those graphics cards, dude, for $60 a piece. And so I had like $350 in between all 6 of them. And when you're bringing in 200 coins a day, and then it rips up to 28 cents, you know, that's not bad at all. Each one of those days then would have been what, 200 coins a day, at 28 cents. What does that end up being, man? 100 coins would have been 28 bucks, like $50 a day, $60 a day almost that you're making mining those when the coin jumps up in price. So you let it run even when the coin is small, and you might only be making $2 or $3 a day, right? But then when the coin jumps in value every single day that you had that miner running, dude, $60 a day just to let that thing go is not bad at all, man. And especially knowing that it only cost $350 for those graphics cards. Just to keep Simon with, darn it, man! I wish, devil's advocate, I wish I would have actually read that one a little bit before I started talking about Simon's question there. Devil's advocate, thank you very much. I owe you a refund on that one because I didn't read it to keep Simon waiting. Darn it, man! Darn it. So hopefully that answers the question there. I'm sending this $2 to cancel the last $2. Devil's advocate, thank you. Thank you. That makes perfect sense to me. That makes perfect sense to me that you were doing that. I really appreciate this super chat, and glad you canceled that last one because the last one didn't make any sense there. Lauren! Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to have to send Lauren some flowers now, for real. Lauren, this rose is for you, and please don't eat it. Please, just don't eat it, okay? Don't eat it. I got to send Lauren some flowers. Valentine's Day is coming up. I don't know if you guys are over there in the UK celebrate Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is coming up here. I'm going to have to send Lauren some flowers. She tells me to eat it. I tell her not to eat it, and she tells me to eat it. Lauren, I appreciate the rose here. Ah. Oh. Delicious, Lauren. Thank you very much for the rose. I appreciate that. It's ridiculous. I gotta turn this on silent. Give me 2 seconds. I heard it. We back? All right, we're back. Good deal. Oh my gosh. Eat it, Clay, or it's he always dreamed of. Ridiculous, man. We're talking about roses here. Devil's Advocate, he read everyone's message and left me till the end. Dang it. Happens, man. It happens. Simon, I'm very sorry about that. Pringleton, wide shoes. Hashtag both, baby. Both. What did Pringleton say? Oh my God. Oh, God. I do love you. Mom, love you too. You're welcome, Lauren. Thank you. Imagine Lauren goes on The Bachelor and he's like, do you accept this rose? Suspenseful music starts playing. She reaches for it, holds on to it for a moment, and just starts eating the whole thing. Dude, that would be classic. Like, I guarantee you would go viral at that point. Even if you were like the first one off the show or something, you would go viral and probably be the most talked about person ever. Lauren, I say do it. Mr. Normus, get ready. I want an angry cat, like a cat in heat. Well, the good news is I've never seen a cat in heat. I'm allergic to cats, and I've never owned one. Well, we did own a cat for a very, very short amount of time, but not one that was in heat. So I don't know how this is going to be portrayed. Mr. Normus, you get what you ask for. Meow. 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 Never seen a cat in heat, dude, but I hope that does it for you, Mr. Normus. I noticed Lauren didn't answer the question. Oh, my God. You want me to hiss? I don't know about hissing, guys. Is that what cats do? Mr. Wonderful just posted a YouTube about crypto mining in Saudi Arabia. Julia Gulia, are they mining in Saudi Arabia right now? She will pop soon. Always good to content. John James Power, appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, and listen, when the market's red, we have fun, dude. We have fun when the market's red. You guys have no idea. This room's at least 80-some degrees right now. I'm wearing a sweater. It's not hot downstairs. And then I come up in here, and you guys make me do these embarrassing things like this, and I just start naturally sweating. And then on top of it, you got the heat. Like, I am dying right now, okay? I am dying. You guys better know that one. My sub 1.3 average on prog is green. Once again, baby. Nice. Dude, you got a $1.30 average on prog, man. I love it. Devil's Advocate, I wish I had a $1.30 average on prog. Let's talk about stocks for 2 minutes here, guys. AMC sitting down 4.75% at the moment, $15.85. Shiba sitting at $21.36. GameStop 96.21, down 3.94%. Prog up on the day 8%, 7.82% now. $1.38 Prog sitting at. NASDAQ not faring so well, bouncing back and forth between this little range here between 13,500 points and 13,400 points. And it is currently at 13,461, down 2.84% on the day. We got Farmy sitting at 19.20, loving to trade sideways. No action here today. AMC, yes, ticker of the day. If this is green, I think we're going to have a very good day. Sundial currently sitting 1.17% in the red, 45.46 cents. Nice. All right. They meow nonstop in the middle of the night. That's why my cat spayed, and I couldn't sleep when she was in heat. Well, you guys probably know a little bit more than I do about that then, Cassie, because I know nothing. Take it off. Julia, I got just a tank top on under this. Nobody wants to see that. Crack a window, Clay. Sheesh. I could crack a window, dude, but it's 22 degrees outside right now. It could work. Sabanino, thank you very much for that. I really actually did want to put some chapstick on, so thank you, Sabanino, for the chapstick. And then you gotta go like that, and then it's in the eyes. And I do have chapstick on now. So thank you very much, Sabanino, for the member chat. Not wasting it at always. Simon getting what he wants on that one. Just wondering, is Shiba playing out the same as what Bitcoin did when it first came out? Sarah Sturcroy, no. Bitcoin was worthless for a very long time. and then Bitcoin slowly gained in value. And yes, it was very volatile, okay? I'll give you that. Shiba Inu coin is very volatile. But once Bitcoin really kind of got on the map and major exchanges started listing it, and it was trading, $100, $200, $300, and so on. It did experience a lot of volatility, going from 400 to 1,000, back to 400 to 1,000, up to 2,000. And then it ran up in 2017 to about $20,000 before falling all the way back down for roughly 3 years to about $5,000, $4,000 per coin. And now you guys know that it ran all the way up to $72,000 or $70,000 or $69,000, whatever it was, that it ran up to a couple months ago. And now it's experiencing a decline again. So Shiba Inu coin, different in the fact that it literally went from being worth a couple $1,000 to a couple $1 billion, all in a 1 year period. So I would not compare the two in like a similarity of price action. My house is freezing. Thanks for rubbing that in, Clay. I'm getting the heating sorted tomorrow though. Lauren, you got a blanket or something, Lauren? You need. I don't want Lauren to be freezing. My goodness, dude. Lauren's sitting there all cuddled up. This is the warmest room in the house though, because I got those miners on, and it's upstairs. But no, downstairs is cold. I am kind of cold when I go downstairs. But Lauren, I hope you get that sorted out too, because I really don't want to think about you being freezing cold over there. I want to think about you being comfortable. Deuces! Bunnyverse, next big crypto. Bunnyverse. Deuces. Let's check that out. Moomin Rider. I don't know what this is, but I don't own any pet snakes either, man. I don't know what pet snakes do, but I did have a snake in the backyard last year. I did not like that dude. I did not like that dude at all. He was kind of big. I didn't like him. There's 100-to-1 chance that Elizabeth will be fantasizing, you on your wedding night. 100-to-1 chance, man. 100-to-1 chance. Let's have it. When Bunnyverse video? Deuces. Good question, man. Bunnyverse. Let's take a look at the Bunnyverse. Let's take a look at the Bunnyverse. Oh, dude, any crypto that's up 25% today, I like it, man. Yeah, Bunnyverse got hit pretty hard over the last month. It's been listed about a month and currently sitting on a fully diluted market cap of about $2.2 million. Not too bad, but we'll show you guys that for a second here. Bunnyverse, it's an Ethereum token, $2.2 million fully diluted market cap. Did very nice towards the end of December for about a minute and then started to fall off drastically, okay? Now it's actually about where it fell off to in December and continued to trade lower for about the entire month of January. And now it's starting to pop off a little bit and could be going higher. So you do have some resistance in this area right here. If it goes up to, I don't know, another 10%, it looks like. If it does that, you get some resistance. But hey, man, if not, it's only a month old. You could absolutely see this thing soar. I like these little coins, man. I like these little coins. But I don't know what Bunnyverse has going on. Don't know anything about that. I heard of a new project called Bunnyverse. Oh, God, here they go. Tell me about it. There was an Ask Me Anything yesterday with Zach Humphreys. They showed the game trailer. It looks incredible. Please do your own research. This appears to be the next 1000x project. I mean, yeah, if it reaches a $2 billion market cap, 1000x. I don't see why not. $2 billion market cap's not bad. But, dude, you got to remember, okay? I don't know what this game trailer looks like. But you got to remember, if they have to develop something for the Bunnyverse. It's like Power Rangers, man. All right, I'll just show you guys. Since you guys are in here talking about Bunnyverse for the moment. Yeah, Bunnyverse. Okay, looks like Power Rangers for sure. Tokenomics. Let's see what you're getting yourself into here. Okay, launched on December 20th. We know it's Ethereum token. Trillion, so definitely not a quadrillion. Marketing fee, 7% liquidity fee. You get 12% taxes. All the marketing and development fee goes to a multi-sig wallet, which requires 3 confirmations from 4 people. Interesting. Liquidity, so those 4 people could just drain the marketing pool if they wanted. Liquidity, all reflections for the liquidity wallet goes to a dead address, which helps to maintain the price chart. So is it burnt? It's technically not liquidity if it gets burnt. But whatever. Alright, man, cool. Looks good. They want 5,000 holders, and they want to launch their Bunnyverse game. They don't have too much going on in the first quarter here. Let's see where they're at. We got 2,000 holders. 3,000 of you guys go buy Bunnyverse right now so they can launch their game and be done working for all of quarter 1, 2022. Imagine going all in on Prog sub 150 and holding it for less than a year, and when it hits an easy $3, you just doubled your investment. The real wrestler. Yeah, dude. Imagine going all in on Prog when it was like at 60 cents a couple months ago, and it ran all the way up to $6. That's insane. I'm sorry. You should probably sell if you hit a 10x. It's a $2 million market cap. Yes, Esau. Yes, it is. Fully diluted $2 million market cap right now. Brad Joyce, the development team, and the ex-vice president of Fox is lead marketing. Nice, deuces. Nice. 4 people. There's no way they could collude. Dude, I could collude with 4 people right now, if you know what I'm saying. I don't even care if I get to pick them. Bunnyverse bottomed out, and it's primed for a pump and dump. Who knows where any of these speculative plays will be in 5 to 10 years? KO. Yeah, I agree with that. I don't know where any of these... That's why... Look, man. Shiba Inu coin is... I believe Shiba Inu coin's different than a lot of these pump and dump coins because... You know, Shiba Inu coin may be considered a pump and dump originally, but now there's some developers who are really taking it serious. And I don't know if these kids just went out and bought a ton of Shiba Inu coin when it was very low priced or why they're working so hard on it, but they are. Okay? They're working hard on it. And that's what you need if you expect a coin to be successful. It's not easy to have that type of success. And there's a lot of people out there that are not willing to do what's not easy. Pika Pika! Bunnyverse will hopefully launch soon. The coin will skyrocket. If it does, I hope you guys make a ton of money. Imagine, yes, hypothetically, if one were to be all in, devil's advocate, yes, hypothetically, if somebody was all in sub 130 on Prog, and then it's doubles or triples or quadruples. Dang it, man. Devil's Advocate's going to be so rich. I love it. Shouting you out in Zach's live stream, Claybro. I hope the new subscribe from that project stay in the Claybro family. Let's go, dude. If anybody's subscribing, Zach Humphrey's live stream, is he live right now? Cool, man. Cool. That dude's out there doing work, too. I like it. Clay fam, not going into specifics, but keep Marine Corps Brett in prayers. Absolutely, JB. No specifics needed, man. No specifics needed. Got you. I'm warming my workroom up with a hairdryer. It's that cold. Oh, God. Lauren, you need to buy a couple graphics cards and motherboard and a flash drive. Actually, I can just send you this flash drive right here. The other stuff you gotta buy. So buy that stuff and just plug it in. Then you got a heater that could easily warm that room, and it pays you daily to run it. I say go. Let's get hard. What are we doing here? Frank! I'm at 68 subscribers. Next person will be number 60. Well, it depends if somebody unsubscribes, because they could be number 68 as well. JJ, already hard, bro. Nice. Lauren, did you spend some money on Prog and Shiba so you have to reduce your oil cost? Freddie, that might be it, man. JJ, it's time to get hard. like a diamond. Thank you very much, JJ. I appreciate that super sticker, man. Anybody else hard like a diamond out there right now? What's going on? You guys better not be soft. Come on. You got to be hard like a diamond if you want to hang out in here with the bros. Last night when Zach was live, you think I'd miss your live? That's crazy talk. I love it, Isawu. I love it. Just saw Goldfinch on Coinbase yesterday. Had never heard of it before. I've also never heard of Goldfinch. What's Goldfinch? Is that another coin? Nope. Drops to 67, Freddie. Dang it, man. We knew it. If I unsubscribe and subscribe, can I get the number? Freddie, you might, man. As long as somebody else jumps in there before you. Pika Power says, we are hard. I'm ham right now. Let's go. KO bets. Clay, if we are going to buy due to hard work, then I will sell my butt and go all in on Costa because that guy seems to succeed in everything he does. He's invested in over 350 crypto startups. My goodness. Yeah, Crypto Rocketeer, man. Look, I remember Costa went up to what, $2 and then fell down again? Yeah, sitting at 60 cents right now, up 10% on the day. It's not bad. It did come down from about, well, $1.50 listed on Coinbase here, but has come down a little bit. But the overall crypto market's been ripped lately. Dude, I'll tell you what, though, okay? I would rather invest in a dude that's willing to work hard than invest in something that I have the chance of getting lucky on. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. Put your money in something where the dude's willing to work hard and make a return on it. If you believe in that guy, that coin can succeed. After recently being diagnosed with education, I come here to hang out with the bros and feel welcome. Just to find Clay telling us we have to become hard, we aren't welcome. Darn it! What's wrong with that, man? You invest in your education. You're doing good. Goldfinch is a decentralized credit protocol for the crypto loans without collateral. This is the missing piece that finally unlocked crypto lending for most people in the world. Milano, Goldfinch, man. Milano Goldfinch loves Goldfinch. Good deal, Milano. And thank you for the explanation. Appreciate that. Freddie, there's no radiators in the house yet. I bought a barn to convert, so I brought it on myself. The girl's living in a barn, man. This girl's out there living in a barn right now. Oh my goodness. Lauren, I gotta worry about Lauren living in a barn. Oh my goodness. Adria Perez, thank you for the hi. 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 Thank you very much, Adria. Appreciate that super sticker. I don't know where those sound effects came from, but that is exactly what I imagine that little dude right there is doing. So thank you very much for that super sticker. Appreciate that. Hopefully it was good. If not, send it again and I'll do it again. Oh my gosh, Adria, thank you very much. Go to the public transport, Lauren, and just sit there all night. Stay warm, please. He lost over 100 million on this dip. Imagine how much he has. Oh my gosh, dude. He lost 100 million coins, or he lost 100 million dollars? Well, I guess if it was $2. Yeah, $100 million. Wow. Like you too, bro. Good deal, Milano. Good deal. He has promised to do everything possible to make it bigger than Crow in the future. I actually believe in that little ugly turd. I don't know what this dude looks like, Crypto Rocketeer. But I like the dedication. I really do like that part, man. I like somebody that's willing to work hard. I like that little ugly turd. You're ridiculous, man. Hey, Clay, bro. About to recover the crypto market. Ryan. Clay, bro. It's AG, and I am officially all in with Shiba and on this channel. AG, man. I love it. All in. Hopefully that bad boy rips and makes you a ton of money. I don't know if you're all in long term or if you're more of a short term trader, but I hope, man, you make as much money as possible. We get AMC sitting down 4.70% right now, sitting right there at 1586, what it's been doing all afternoon. Shiba sitting at 2144, just like all afternoon. GameStop, like all afternoon, 95.50 right now, down 4.70%, basically identical to AMC's loss right now. Prague sitting sideways once more, sitting at $1.39 right now. We got the NASDAQ sideways as well, down about 3%, 2.90. Farmy sitting at 1949, bouncing back a little bit. I love green candles. We've got Prague AMC, okay, good there. And then we got to see daily. It's the daily determining factor. Sundial, down 1.5% right now. Come on, Sundial, grow some legs. Milano Goldfish, it already exists. You can borrow crypto without any background check, without having to share personal details. Lenders should be shaking in their boots, but Goldfish isn't first. Ooh, KO bets, I like it. I can imagine he has 100 million less than he did about 3 months ago. That dude has been investing in his education. The devil's advocate knows the maths. I wish you had a great mirror. It was great. Oh, man, I don't have a mirror. I do have a screen that I can see myself doing it, but when I close my eyes like that, I can't see anything. Where did my lava lamp went? Renji! It's downstairs, man. The lights are burnt out right now, so I gotta get the other lights in here and turn it on, but it's currently burnt out. Bought just under 1 million of this new Lucky Block token. Fingers crossed. Let's get it, Freddy, man. I hope it takes off for you. All right, listen, if you guys are investing in some of the newer tokens, some of the riskier tokens out there, I hope they take off for you. I hope you guys make so much money on them. Oh, forgot to press the like button. Adrian, never forget to press the like button. Lava Lamp is on the videos at night, but just not turned on, Renji. Facts on that, Cassie. It can't turn on. The lights burn out. Bro, I'm all in long term, sir. I have to make $37,000 a week, like someone we all... Yes, dude. You got to make that $37,000 a week, like Imanat Patel or whatever the guy's name is, and don't join that Discord. Just make it. Make it another way. Good deal, AG. I love it, dude. He's made over $300 million alone in the crypto startups. He said it on the news, but it doesn't want to discuss his total worth. He was in Forbes under 30 in 2021. Oh, my gosh, man. Dude's making me feel old now. 32, freaking old. Man, I'm going to be 33 years old this year. What the heck? Oh, man. I need to help myself out here and go down in age. What can I say, man? I'm basically a calculator. Geography is my specialty. Heck yeah, man. Heck yeah. We got that geographical math going on. What's going on? Happened on March 16th about the Fed. So, Renji, good question. March 16th, I don't know if that's the exact date, but I'm assuming that that's the date of the Federal Reserve press conference in March. Now, in March, the Federal Reserve is going to be announcing a change in interest rates. They're going to be raising interest rates. What we do not know is how much they will be raising interest rates by. So most likely 0.25%. Now, there are some analysts out there who believe we could see a 0.5% increase in interest rates. And, you know, the market kind of knows by now that the Federal Reserve is going to increase interest rates. We're seeing some volatility, and we're seeing this continuation to the downside because we don't know how much they're going to raise interest rates by. We also expect them to raise interest rates 3, maybe 4 times during 2021. If they were to increase interest rates 4 times in 2021, and each time they increased it by 0.5%, you know, that is a drastic move to combat the inflation that's out there right now. And if they do that, guys, I'm telling you right now, look, if they do that, you know, either sell your positions and prepare for a deep bear market, or, you know, the ones that you're willing to hold, just be willing to hold those. Like AMC, if you're willing to hold it, great. But if they start raising interest rates by 0.5% every single Fed meeting, and we see a 2% increase in interest rates over the course of this year, we're not going to be getting out of this downturn very easily. There's no doubt in my mind about that. Oh my gosh, bye everyone, back to work again. Wait, Lauren! Freddie has a surprise for you. Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Freddie. Appreciate that. And Lauren, when you're doing these eyelashes, just pretend it's me that you're doing the eyelashes on, okay? I might be shivering in that chair because you literally have no heat. And you better provide a blanket to this girl that's going to be getting her eyelashes done. But, yeah, no joke. Pretend it's me. And don't make it painful, please. Please don't make it painful. Ludwig! Clay, bro, if AMC GME will go to astronomical price like 100,000 to $1 million during the MOAS, are we really going to be able to sell, or will brokers refuse our trading? So, Ludwig, good question, man. let's assume you are correct in that. It is possible, right? But it is also highly unlikely. So let's just make the assumption that you are correct. Even on the $1 million one, just for your hypothetical scenario here. The broker does not care what price you buy and sell that stock at. As a matter of fact, your broker is going to be very happy to sell shares and have that sort of money flowing through them. Because every trade you make, they make money. Every extended dollar amount that you trade with them, they make money. They make money on the spread, and they make money on the kickback if they do payment for order flow. So knowing that, the broker will not care. They will allow you to sell those shares. Now, you have to know that if we, in your scenario, we got to those prices, there will not be anybody buying shares at those prices except for the hedge funds that have to close out their shares. So, if you're expecting market makers to make the market at those prices, don't expect that, okay? Don't expect a market maker to willingly go out there. When you click market order, you should expect the next available purchase to come through. Don't expect the market maker to make your order at that price. Expect the only shares that will be bought at those prices to be ones that go directly to the hedge funds that cover their short shares. There will not be retailers buying AMC for $1 million a share or $100,000 a share or probably even $5,000 per share. But the hedge funds, they will be forced to. So yes, if you ride it up that high and there are still hedge funds that have to close out their positions, they will close out their positions and you will be able to sell it. I could be wrong, and you might think I'm dumb, but at these prices for Prague, I don't expect any large market issues to make it a bad price. It'll grow, and under $2 is cheap no matter what the Fed says. Yeah, dude, look, at these prices, companies can absolutely be cheap. You are right on that. It's just you may have to wait for money to feel safe going back into these stocks for the price to reflect the value that the company is actually worth right there. Let's see what we got. Will Shiba reach a penny in 2022? Jason, I don't think it'll reach a penny in 2022, man. I truly don't. I think it needs either much more time or exponentially larger burns than we currently have. Milana Goldfish, okay, but the reason is why something. Just one meow will suffice. Oh, no, you like that. You just gotta get the 3 meows. Outdoor smile. Come on now. Lauren, bye for now. Lauren, enjoy your client there. If you sell AMC at $1 million per share, your broker will be broker than ever. No, I don't think your broker's gonna be broke, man, because it's not. Those shares aren't coming from your broker. Those shares will be coming directly from the short shares out there at that point. And don't expect the market maker to make that market either. Those shares are going to have to be ready to be purchased from a short seller. Your broker is not the one on the line. Your broker is the one that's just simply facilitating the transaction. Think of it like a real estate broker, okay? A real estate agent is basically the broker in that transaction. Dude, he don't care if what house you guys are selling, at what price you guys sell it for, if it's overvalued, if it's undervalued or anything. He simply wants to facilitate the transaction because he's taking a cut of it. Okay, that's 30% up rather than others. Nice. Claybro, does Webull have payment for order flow or not? Yeah, Ludwig. So as far as I know, man, Webull does have payment for order flow. And what payment for order flow simply means is that, Webull makes money because they route their orders through certain market makers. So there are several market makers out there, and they have to compete because they don't make money unless they're facilitating trades. So what they do, and let's just use Citadel as an example, right? It doesn't matter who they're using. I know they use Apex as their clearinghouse, but Webull wants to make money. Citadel says, look, if you send us those orders, we'll pay you $1 per order that you send us, or we'll pay you 1% per order of what you send us, because the market maker is making money on every trade due to the spread, and Webull wants to make money as well, so they're going to send their orders through whoever's willing to pay them to facilitate those orders. Now, you guys might have a problem with abuse of payment for order flow and so on, but it's basically just a kickback from the spread. The alternative is brokers out there can charge you a commission on every single trade. I don't like the alternative. I'd rather use payment for order flow. Easy math. You just multiply Shiba current amounts over the value of the coin. You can imagine that Shiba goes at $1 equals 550 trillion. Not enough money in the world. Yeah, there's not enough money in the world unless inflation starts to run rampant. And then you really are paying $1 million for a gallon of milk. Shiba Inu coin could reach $1 that way. USA don't use pennies. A 1 out of 100 of $1 is a silly cent. I don't know what a silly cent is, but I do know that it is 1 o'clock. Thank you guys for hanging out. We're going to come back a little bit later. Let's see. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll get some shout-outs going on. Thank you guys for having such a great morning. Making a fool out of myself in front of everybody with all those cat stickers. And not panicking that the market is down. Yes, we're experiencing a decline across the board right now, but you guys are really keeping it together. I love it, man. Hopefully we come back. Everything is turned green this afternoon. We got Milano, KO Bets, Crypto Rocketeer, Devil's Advocate. Good analogy. 9 out of 10. I like it. The real wrestler shoe. Zella is another one that they like. Tony DeAngelis, do you think we'll lose 2 zeros by the summer? No, I do not. It's a 100x increase. Mr. Simon, see you, Clay. See you later. See you later, Simoninho. KO Bets, some Devil's Advocate. Shout out to Dad. Dad, if you're listening right now, shout out to you, man. JB, or his dad for buying $1 million gallon of milk. Frodo, Saddam, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, dabbing on him like always. Freddie, Shitsu Inu, Paul, Isa, Wu, Julia, Gulia, Sarah DeCroix. Thanks for the info tonight. Have an awesome day. Thank you very much, Sarah. Appreciate you. Alice in Wonderland. See you later. Mitch Breen, whatever that is. KO Bets. 11 Simon, Paul, Cassie, Mitch, Outdoor Smile, the Devil's Advocate, the Milk Dad, not my dad. Gotcha, the Milk Dad. Shout out to you, my man. All right, you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.